Hey guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the December 2020 Boxycharm Premium Box. I got the regular box this month as well. I'll link that video down below if you haven't seen it. But they sent me the premium box as well. They usually don't send me both boxes. But since the regular box was kind of late getting to me, they decided to send me the premium box as well. So it's a little bit different than the regular box. It is more products. You get 6 to 7 full-size products. So with that, it's a little bit more money a month. It's $35. I will have a link down below. Let's do it. The theme for this month is Bubbles and Glitz. I got variation 92. Holy sh! How many different variations are there? Wow. Okay. First thing, actually, let's save that for last because that's a big palette. Let's pull this guy out first. So this is the LMS Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. Retails for $65. It says this super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimetic veil that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon working. Okay, it's a hydrating sleep mask for thirsty skin. Plumps, replenishes, hydrates. My skin is very thirsty right now. My skin is always thirsty in the wintertime. So I'm excited for this. Did I tell you what it retails for? $65. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I've never tried this brand before, but in my like base Boxycharm box, I got the LMS, where is it? Oh, it's upstairs. Glow primer moisturizer type thing, and it's amazing. I love it. Next thing in the box, this looks like a mascara. It is the Elizabeth Mott. It's so big, Volumizing Mascara. Retails for $20. The Volumizing Mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. How cute is that packaging? I really want to bring back Mascara Monday. So maybe I'll do that because I have this mascara. I also have an Ulta order. I think that's coming in either today or tomorrow where I'm trying out some new mascara. What's going on with my voice? Yeah, I might be bringing back Mascara Monday. Let's see. Oh, okay. Wow. Doesn't look like there's anything on that brush, but okay. Next. Fenty Beauty. What are you? Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. High octane pigment meets unexpectedly universal shades to complement all moods and skin tones. Retails for $18. I have never tried anything from Fenty before. This color is called Candy Venom. Looks like it's going to be like a pinkish color, which is probably something I will not. Oh, are these like the regular size or is this tiny? This seems very tiny. Oh, yeah. It looks pinkish on camera, but it looks more reddish in person. There's that. That is definitely not a color that I will wear. I like the packaging though. Okay, next we have a palette from Visor. This is the professional, Visor Professional Makeup. This is the Neutral Mattes palette. Retails for $80. Are you serious? Has 12 matte shades, ideal for accenting, sculpting, and creating striking, reflective beauty. This retails for $80. It's got 12 shades in here? These gotta be freaking tiny. Hold on. Oh, okay. Hold on. Like, what? This retails for $80? This packaging? Did you guys hear that? Dun, dun, dun. Sounds like drums. Like, what? This packaging for $80? Are you kidding me right now? Is that a typo? This is like really cheap ass packaging. Why is this so expensive? I'm so confused. This packaging is so cheap, you guys. Okay, anyway, I'm digging the colors. But this packaging, you guys, this is like cheap ass plastic packaging. What is so special about these eyeshadows? And they're all crooked in here anyway. But they look crooked like they're magnetic or something. No, they're definitely not magnetic. What? Is this a joke? Is that a typo? I need to really look this up. All right, we're going to look this up. It really is $80 at Sephora. You guys, this is like, what? This is crazy. First of all, cheap ass packaging, and look how crooked they are. I dug my fingernail in there, but can you see how crooked they are? Like in the palette? I am shook, as the kids say, right? Shook, would that be the proper terminology? I mean, they're really pigmented and they're very buttery smooth, but $80. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, moving on with eyeshadow all over my fingers because I don't have makeup wipes over here. We have some brushes. This is the Crown, All Eyes on You. Kind of like a little Tupac reference. I like that. 5-piece brush set retails for $34.95. 5-piece brush set from Crown Brushes. I have some Crown brushes. That is what they look like. Can always use more brushes. Yes, I got this brush set in my base box. So I got freaking 10 new brushes. Yeah. And the last thing in the box is this guy. This is the, it's not on here. Hold on, I'm confused. This isn't on the card. I think they gave me the wrong card. It says Kosas 10-second eyeshadow, a clean water-based eyeshadow that stays all day, retails for $28, but that's not this. This is a palette. This is the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. That is not on here. So they gave me the wrong card. All right, so I lied. I didn't get variation 92. All right, anyway, let's look up this palette, I guess. Okay, this is weird, guys. This is the premium box, and this is all weird. This retails for $42, and whatever was supposed to be in here only retails for $28. So this box was actually worth more than like regular boxes, I guess. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is huge. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Those are big. And those are really pretty. True Luscious. True and Luscious or True Luscious? These are really pretty. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm premium box. I'm really excited for this highlight palette. These colors are really pretty. Like, look at this. Ooh, look at that we got going on right there. The brush set, I can always use more brushes. I'm really excited for the mascara. I'm gonna do a Mascara Monday episode on it. This lip color, like I said, it's not my style. So I'm probably gonna give that away to a friend. I'm excited to try this Plumping Pillow Facial Mask. Yes. And then this guy, like, guys, this is really crazy. This is not $80. I would pay like $5 for this. This is like $5 packaging. Guys, I don't understand why this is so expensive. I'm gonna have to do research on this company, Visart. Why is it so expensive? Why is this $80 friggin'? Like, this is, my mind is blown. Seriously. Does anyone else feel the same? Like, did I just get like defective packaging? Although the picture on the website, the packaging looks the same. But like crooked ass shadows and this cheap ass packaging for $80? Like, no way. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my December premium Boxycharm. I'll link Boxycharm down below. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.